Dear students, I am going to discuss about the rearrangement of carbocations. Carbocations rearrange itself during the reaction to a more stable carbocation. So, during reaction, a carbocation has tendency to rearrange itself to a more stable carbocation. During reaction, a carbocation has tendency to rearrange itself to a more stable carbocation. As you know, carbocation is a reaction intermediate. If 1 degree carbocation has been formed in the reaction and there is possibility to rearrange itself to a more stable carbocation, that is from 1 degree to 2 degree or from 2 degree to 3 degree, it easily rearranges and gives the major product with the rearranged form. So, rearrangement takes place due to migration of hydride ion between 1 and 2 position, or due to migration of methyl anion in between 1 and 2 positions. So, this rearrangement is possible only when its hydride ion or methyl anion migrates in between 1 2 positions. It is called 1-2 shift. This is named as 1-2 shift of hydride ion or 1-2 shift of methyl anion. For example, isobutyl carbocation, which is 1 degree, rearranges due to 1-2 shift of hydride ion. Rearranges 1-2 shift of hydride ion. So this hydride ion shifts to this carbocation and changes to a more stable carbocation. This is tertiary butyl cation, this is 3 degree, and this is 1 degree. So it is less stable, and this is more stable. So as a result of rearrangement, a more stable carbocation is obtained. This is because of 1,2 shift of hydride ion. In other case, say starting carbocation is neopentyl carbocation. This is neopentyl. Neopentyl cation, 1 degree carbocation. In this case, 1,2 shift of methyl carbanion or methyl anion takes place in between 1 and 2 position. This is 1 position, this is 2 position. Here this is we write rearranges. So this goes to this place, CH3, CS3, CS2, CS3. This is isopentyl. Neopentyl changes into isopentyl carbocation. So it is 3 degree carbocation. More stable. This is less stable. So major product is formed from the more stable carbocation. A major product is obtained through the more stable carbocation. What is mechanism of rearrangement? Now write the mechanism of rearrangement. It proceeds through a transition state. It proceeds through the formation of a transition state as. It proceeds through the formation of transition state as. Say this is hydride ion shift, so H minus shifts. So this hydrogen in the form of hydride ion shifts from this carbon to this carbon. So the transition state, it is going to breaking. So this carbon hydrogen bond is going to break, and this C plus hydrogen bond is going to form. So it is plus H, and this is positive charge. So this is BB, and this is BF. This is transition state, TS. BB means bond breaking, and BF is bond formation. So during hydride ion shift, this old bond breaks up and a new bond is formed between C plus and H. So it gives you CH, and this is the more stable carbocation. So this is one way. If CH3 anion is shifting in between two positions, then you write here CH3, this is positive charge, so this can write like this. This is CH3, this is transition state, and we get the product. No, we get the more stable carbocation H. Again, this is bond breaking, BB, and this is BF on bond formation. This is BB, this is BF, like this. So this is pattern of hydride ion and methyl ion in the form of an ion through the formation of transition state. Example: the addition of HI on the given alkane produces rearranged product produces major rearranged product. Say this is CH3, 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 CH, CH2. Addition is going to take place, so it is going to add with HI. So one product is CH3C, CH3C, CH3, CH3, CHI, CH3. This is minor product. And other is CH3, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, and this is I. This is major product. So this major product is obtained due to rearrangement of carbocation intermediate. So the major product show the formation of major product is due to rearrangement of carbocation intermediate. Now see the mechanism. CH3, 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 CH2. This is the reactant alkene. H plus addition takes place first. This position, CH3, 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 CH, positive charge, and CH3, 2 degree carbocation. This undergoes it rearranges 1,2 shift of methyl carbanion, 1,2 shift of methyl carbanion. So CH3, CH3, this goes to that position, CH3, CH3. This is 3 degree rearranged carbocation, Now it adds iodine, gives you the major product CH3, CH3I, CH3, CH3, major product. So this is the mechanism of the reaction. So the formation of major product is due to rearrangement of carbocation intermediate. So proton first adds to carbon-carbon double bond, generates 2 degree carbocation, and this 2 degree carbocation rearranges itself to a more stable carbocation, which is 3 degree carbocation, 3 degree rearranged carbocation. It then adds iodine at this point and gives the major product. Thank you.